Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. So, do you get annoyed every time Adobe Acrobat Reader opens up with a bunch of toolbars like this? I have opened a PDF file, okay, and I don't want these toolbars whenever I open this PDF. Okay, so how to remove this? I'm gonna show you. And go to preferences, and in documents, okay, in documents select remember last state of all tools pane, okay, and click on ok. And now let's open this PDF file. I'm gonna close this and close this one also. Okay, now let's close this PDF file, and I'm gonna open the PDF again. Now you see that toolbar is gone. So I hope this video is helpful to you. In this video we saw how to remove the tool pane, okay, and stop it from popping up again and again whenever we open a PDF. Thank you so much.